Hey Pips, FIDAS here. So, I promised you an episode of teaching you how to program the GR20 to work with the FCB-1010, and today is the day. This pile of stuff here is for our new rehearsal room. So today I'm moving a lot of stuff there and I cannot wait. So, without further ado, let's go to the synth. Alright, so let's do this. First of all, you need to have both of the units synced up to, let's say, channel 1. If you don't know how to do it on your GR, it's super simple. You just click System Edit 1, 2, 3, 4 times until you get to MIDI CH, and you can see it's channel 1. This one comes from the factory if you get a new one, already on channel 1. So they should communicate. You'll see if I click on any of this here, any of the buttons, it will just change the channels. So now it controls the channel changes. Right. So let's say we want to assign a note to button number 1. So down. Keep it until anything here disappears. Now this flashes, so it's in preset mode. Press up once short, right? You can see what it does. So it does EXP A and B. So the pedals, unfortunately, they don't work with the GR20, but it's okay. So you deactivate them, just press long on each of them, right? So now nothing of the presets is activated, but you need number 10, note direct select. So you press long, press again short to get it to start blinking. Up is enter, right? And now you need to assign a note. So you can see already 36. So it will be 0, 3, 6. It's a bit awkward from this position, which corresponds to a C, two octaves below the middle C on a piano. Once, enter once, down, short, down, long. And now we should get sound. Right. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say you want to go chromatically. So that was a C. Let's do a C sharp. So again, hold down until everything disappears, and this one starts flashing, right? The green one here. Up once, you're in the functions edit mode, or whatever it's called. I forgot what it's called in the manual. Really awkward. Sorry, long on 10, short afterwards, enter, up, right? So if C, low C was 36, low C sharp is 037. You always put a 0 in front of it because reasons. Up once, down once, short, right? And down, long. Okay, so now, okay, what you can probably observe is that the patch was changed because whenever I just change, this one emits a sound, cool. Whenever I change the note, some of them, most of them have also a patch change thing on. Right, let's do another one. Right, so we had C, C sharp, so this one would be a D, 36, 37, 38. Okay, so again, down, long, up until the bank number disappears, up once short, disable the functions you don't need, and you basically don't need any of this. Hold long, 10, again, short on 10, up short once, so 36, 37, 38, 0, 3, 8, up once short, down once short, down long to get out of the preset menu. So that's it. It's quite easy. It's way easier than than I previously thought. It seems like there is There is an upgrade you can do to this FCB, so it can play more notes at once. So you could basically trigger chords, and I don't know, maybe something even more complex than that. For the time being, I will just leave it to the original factory settings, and that's it. So now, cool, right? If I go back to my original synth, like something from the 80s, cool. So I have C, C sharp, D. All right, good luck. All right, peeps. So that's a wrap for this short demo. I hope I didn't went on my usual tangents. It's quite cool. You don't have to buy a Moog Taurus. If you have the money, go for it. If not, you know, try something more budget friendly. Some other people do it with the FCB-1010 and the Behringer Taurus, which is a rip-off basically, or a knockoff of the Taurus. However, it's quite well designed, as I you know, as I read about it, and I mean, it's a good copy in the end. It is what it is. Right, so thanks. If you like this sort of stuff, you know, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, notifications, share it with your friends, so on and so forth. All right, see you in the next one. Ciao.